tough time.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so you know we got another edition of
Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday.
Yes, y'all, we got another edition of Budget Friendly Friday, which is where I am bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25. Yes, we want to save these coins. Alright, so today's unit is from Outre. It is their quick weave layered deep parting wig in the style TATIANNA. And I have her in the color BH4/2730. No, she is not a headband wig, although I am wearing her that way. But you will see why once we get into the review. So let's just go ahead and dive right on in.
But didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
Alright y'all, so I know you saw the struggles I went through. I was not expecting what I pulled out of the package, so a chick had to improvise. So you saw that she doesn't really have a parting space. It's not like a real, it's like one of those, what I call a plastic part, which I freaking despise. Like, I don't even know. I hope this is an older wig, because I'm like, why are we even still making wigs like this? But let me go back to some good because y'all know I'm here for the waves. I love a nice, long, layered, wavy unit. She is nicely layered and wavy, and the color is beautiful. I'm not even familiar with this BH4/2730. Yeah, I know what 2730 is, and I know what 4 is, but I was like, BH, yeah. Yeah, new to me, but she cute. I love it. I love this color blend. It's like basically brown with some peaks of 27 and 30 throughout the hair, which is super pretty. Love, love, love that. And where I got into trouble, when I realized there was no lace, no big deal. There's a lot of units that don't have lace. No big deal. You know, I can usually go in and finagle it a little bit. I could not cut through whatever is going on here in the front. It's like a whole half wig with a part. I don't know how you're gonna cut through that. Like, I would normally just cut a little V, open it up, you know, get it to blend, make that. No. So guess what she did? She turned her into a good old headband wig. Oh Lord, when you got lemons, honey, you gotta make lemonade. Ain't that what they say? So I had to make it work some way, somehow. And the only reason I fought so hard to make it work is because of the price, y'all. Price range is a whole $12 to $15. I was like, I gotta make this work. We're gonna make this work because she's really cute. I mean, it's really a cute look. Now, can you tell I got on a wig? Probably. Absolutely. But do I care when I know I got on a wig and I know I can make it look good? Absolutely not. Sure don't. So it's all about your comfort level, Shug Muffin. Whatever you're willing to pull off. I will pull this off. I'll walk right on out the door. No problem. Now, I probably could have pushed the wig back some more and, you know, pulled some of my edges out, but yeah, I ain't want to go through all that, to be honest. I'm being honest. Lazy moment. Lazy girl wig wearing moment. Now, although this unit is super affordable, one of the biggest cons I'm experiencing with her, other than this whole lack of lace and lack of area right here, I don't even know what else to call it, but it's the fact that she sheds a ton. Oh my gosh, she is so shed heavy. And she's basically shangling, because she's not tangling a lot, but look, enough to say that she's shangling. So yeah, another shangler. We got a shangler. I mean, but you really can't have like super high expectations when a unit is like $12 to $15. Them expectations got to come down some, Shug Muffin. For real. I think she's cute, especially for her price. And you know what? She actually reminds me so much of another Outre unit I reviewed. And it was actually, I think, a half wig. It was Batik Peruvian. Let me make sure. Yep, Batik Peruvian bundle. I think it was a half wig. I'm gonna insert that picture up here so y'all can see. And it's just like that. This just has a prettier color. That's it. And it's less expensive. Alright, enough of this unit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this unit. Yeah, I know I had some trials at the beginning and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with her, but once I threw this headband on, it was figured out. So let me know if you will rock her as she originally was, or would you throw a cute little headband on it? Let me know down in the comments below. Alright, so if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me a little cute cassette tape for the cassette tape earrings that I'm wearing down in the comments below. That way I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and I appreciate you so much. Also, if you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank y'all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video.
Oh, it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down.